Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how much it costs to replace a windshield. For a standard vehicle without advanced features, you can expect to pay between $210 and $500. However, if your car has advanced driver assistance systems, like rain sensors or cameras, the cost can increase significantly, often ranging from $600 to $1,500. Luxury or specialty vehicles might even exceed $2,000 due to specialized parts and labor. Several factors influence the final price. Your vehicle's make and model play a big role. Luxury cars often use more expensive, specialized glass. If your car has advanced driver assistance systems, like lane keeping assist, recalibrating these after replacement can add $100 to $500. The choice between original equipment manufacturer or aftermarket glass also impacts cost, as do varying labor rates by region. Many drivers wonder about insurance coverage. Generally, comprehensive car insurance will cover the cost of a windshield replacement. However, you will usually need to pay your deductible, which can be several $100s. For small chips or cracks that can be repaired, many insurance companies will waive the deductible entirely. Some states and specific insurance policies also offer full glass coverage, which means no deductible for replacements. To ensure you get the best value, always gather at least 3 quotes from different reputable auto glass shops. Discuss whether a repair is possible, as it is often much less expensive than a full replacement. If your vehicle has advanced driver assistance systems, confirm that the shop includes the necessary recalibration. Remember, a properly installed windshield is crucial for your safety, so prioritize quality and expertise.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.